what was the mood like in the room? Was it tense?
I guess it was. I mean, it's an obvious question that you're going to get asked. I mean, I'm sure Jim's around long enough now to know that is going to be something that people are going to ask him about. I had actually asked. Jack O'Connor was in first before Jim, and I actually asked him about it, and he just said, "Oh well, sure." The referee showed a couple of cards and that's it. And I said, like, well, do you think there's going to be repercussions? Sure, I don't know. I wasn't refereeing the game. And then that was it. On we went. And then Jim came in and Tommy asked a question, which everybody would have asked. It's your duty. And I think Jim said, "Oh, you've done your job." But he was doing his job, and to ask him about that. And I think Jim just reacted wrongly, in my opinion, to it. He's better just say that, okay, maybe I lost a rag there or whatever, but here's why, and let's move on.
Is it a case, Cahair, where he maybe should have done what Jack did and sort of tried to just talk it off, because then that becomes the story now?
I think so. I think the fact that he answered it the way that he did has that's what's blown this thing up. Up until that, like, again, I was watching from home, and I don't know, you were there. Like, there was so much happened in that incident at half time that it didn't feel like Jim McGuinness's part in it was a huge part in it. And you look at the incident itself, it is so minor. It is such a, it is a gentle shove on Diarmuid O'Connor and an annoyed shove, because at that point he appears to be blaming O'Connor for Ryan McHugh's injury.
Yes.
That I think
he was
because
with
O'Connor
Burns,
was resting with McHugh, and it looked like that, and then we saw the replays. It was actually me.
But I think he was blameless, Diarmuid O'Connor. In fairness,
he was.
Once the blow came in, you could see him trying to push Burns away, and then he was going like the Jim.
Yeah, Diarmuid O'Connor seemed pretty innocent in it all.